The 24th participant in the Silva challenge is Don Hartwick. You'll have to excuse me, the bench is really crowded right now. It just seems like everything I have on it is oversized. So let's get started. Let's clean some of this up. Here's obviously a casting I stole the real riders off of. That's the With the Beatles casting. Throw that in there because you can always gas land something like that. Here's a gasser. What's better for a gasser? What's better for gas lands than a gasser? Let's do that. Yeah, I was working on the VW Beetle for the upcoming Four Horsemen build, and I had a couple castings, and I stripped two of them at the same time. This one I started to take apart, so let's throw that in there. Yeah, you get a partially worked on, missing wheels, stripped, undrilled, well drilled, but not tapped. Yeah, enough said. What's that, 62? Yeah, 62 Chevy truck. This actually has a cool look to it. It's too bad the glass is purple, but that's kind of a cool look. So hopefully you have fun using that. Ah, the Monster Dairy delivery. This is a fun casting. I think I've got a couple of these sitting around. I did one a while back where I cut out the windows and everything, and that was fun. That should be good for a build. That should be really good for a build. Oh, what else is in here? Oh, wow. A Tootsie Toy Howitzer. No, that one I'm keeping. There's something about a howitzer that, I don't know, I'm sure I can find something to do with it. There's the Diora 2. That always has a weird spacey look to it. That thing's like mint, so I'm not quite sure. Gas landing that it's almost like you'd have to go more of a sci-fi look. Maybe because of the shape. I don't know. What else is in here? Oh, there's aircraft. Big aircraft. There's small aircraft. F-18 Hornet. Let's throw that in there. I always like to, if I can, throw aircraft in. I like doing that. A no-name made in China truck with poor quality control at the factory on the windows. Okay. Oh, a boat. Do I throw a plane and a boat? Nah, I'll hold off on the boat. What's that, a BMW? Yeah, BMW M3. Those are nice looking cars. Let's throw that in there. A 69 Mercury Cougar Eliminator. That'd be a classic Gasland style look. Yeah, that definitely's got to go in here. Definitely has to go in there. Yeesh. Dragon Tail. Don, don't hate me for that. But yeah, you're getting it. Yeah, that'll fit in there. Oh, the twin mill. Gotta love the twin mill. That could be cool gas landed out. It's for all the twin mill stuff I've done. I've never done a gas landed twin mill. So there's some bigger scale stuff in here too. I've got a Tiger in my tank. What was that, Exxon? Corgi Toys, Lotus Elon S2. That obviously needs some work. But, oh, even the seats flip up. Yeah, maybe not for now, but check out this ambulance. What's that? A Matchbox K-26? Mercedes-Benz Ben's ambulance, made in England. That's not in too bad of shape. Doors open and everything. I'm setting this aside for a moment. We're going to come back to that. We're going to revisit that. A Maisto beetle? Sure. What's better in the wastelands than a beetle? I have some of this stuff. When I got some of this stuff, there was a ton of cat hair on it. I'm allergic to cats. So if I start sneezing in the middle of this, I apologize. That is cool. Models of yesteryear. Packard Landaulet. That'll fit in there, won't it? Might be too tall. No, it's not too well. Let's do that. Okay. Yeah, dear Lord, how many of these have we seen? Yeah. I know I have, like, Lord knows how many more of those sitting around places. That's packed pretty tight already, Don, you know? Oh, come on. Really? Oh, I'm throwing that in there. There's a spot. It's a Hummer. I think it's a Hummer. I think it's supposed to be a Hummer. The dual axle back makes me wonder, but the rest of it looks like a Hummer. Yeah, I'll throw that in there. Lord knows who made that. Yeah, I think we're gonna stop there for the castings. So let me set that aside. I think I'm dumping these into that tub. Yeah. Try and consolidate some space while I'm doing this. Okay, let's add some stuff. Let's add some wheels. I'm still not 3D printing. I still need to get back to doing it and figure out what's wrong with stuff, but I will. I'll get there eventually. More wheels. And some rockets and guns and some more guns. And yeah, we'll be getting back to this. Yeah, that's a teaser. We'll be getting back to that. Some wheel spikes and rams and stuff. And some more guns. This is kind of odds and ends. There's even like crates. Just, I think this was kind of a catch-all bin that I threw things into. Okay. Then we had some resin printed stuff still, including skulls, jerry cans, and what do we have in this one? Engines, engines, rockets, Eesh. Ooh, something oozed resin. That obviously leaked out of what obviously wasn't cured. Huh. Okay. So we'll address that later. I think what that seemed to be was an engine that had a hole for drainage that drained after it was thrown in there. Okay, so that's what we're looking at for this now, Don. This will be coming out to you. I'm going to throw some stickers in there and some other stuff. So that'll be the challenge. Then for this, I think what I'm going to do on this is a giveaway. And so if anybody's interested in being eligible for the giveaway, yeah, it'll be on March 2nd. It'll be a random drawing like I do for a lot of the other giveaways. And obviously someone could have a lot of fun restoring this. I'll do it with the YouTube random comment generator. To be eligible, make a comment on the video for this boxing. And in your comment, just put the word, what should we put? Ambulance. Just put ambulance. Ambulance. Put ambulance in your comment, and then we'll do the random drawing, and I will ship this to whoever wins it. So there's that. That's the giveaway. This will be the challenge box heading out to you, Don. Have fun with it. Hope everybody likes what this is looking like. And everybody stay safe and healthy out there. Catch you in the next one.